Greetings, dear friends, fellow programmers, and those aspiring to be. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm Marco, and I'm a senior full-stack .NET developer with over 8 years of experience in the industry. Whether you're here to hone your coding skills or to get insights into the world of software development, I would say you, my friend, are in the right place. My journey into the world of programming began from my passion for solving problems and building things from scratch. Initially, I graduated from the University for Electrical Engineering and got both my bachelor's and master's degrees in that area, and I got my first job as electrical development engineer, but over the time I figured out that I do not see myself doing that for the rest of my life. So that is when I decided that it's time for me to join the ranks of self-taught programmers. While working as a programmer, I constantly juggled multiple jobs, built personal projects, and worked as a freelancer, all the while trying to get as much hands-on experience as possible. And this relentless journey towards getting and acquiring as much experience and knowledge as possible eventually led me to land my team lead position at GitHub, and also it enabled me to build a few successful projects of my own. So right now you might be wondering, what is it that pushed me to work so hard? And the answer to that question comes from multiple different things. The first and main one, of course, is the fact that I was passionate about what I was doing. I enjoy building projects from scratch. I love being creative and being able to make my creative side express itself through my projects. And also, on the other side, I enjoy very much to share my knowledge and experiences with other people. And that is exactly why I started this channel. My goal here is to share my passion and my experiences with as many people as possible, and basically allow as many people to enter the world of programming and struggle the least amount in order to make it happen. Through this perseverance and hard work, I was fortunate enough to make some of my dreams come to life by the age of 30. I live in my dream house in nature with my beautiful fiancée and 2 huge dogs. And also, I was able to make my childhood dream of owning a sports car come to life as well. I believe that with dedication and right guidance, you can achieve the same and make your dreams come to reality. So why not embark on this journey together? Here on this channel, I will be sharing a mixture of practical knowledge and real-life experiences that I've accumulated over the years working as a programmer, and I will be splitting them into 2 main areas. The first one being ASP.NET Core Programming and C#, and the second one dedicated to JavaScript. Each week, I'll be releasing and publishing 2 videos dedicated to ASP.NET Core and C#, where we will be talking about good coding practices, how to tackle some complex issues, and also how to master some of the problematic parts of the language itself. Also, I will be uploading 2 videos per week dedicated to JavaScript. In those videos, I will also be talking about advanced concepts, clean coding practices, and best practices in general to make your JavaScript game elevated. What I personally think sets this channel apart from most is the fact that I plan to share experiences and hands-on guides on situations that might not be easy to find on the internet, because they are more something that you build over time, because those are practices and good things to know when you stumble upon a certain situation, and you will just know how to handle it properly. Plus, I will do my best to make the learning process light. I will try to include occasional humor and do my best to make the learning process fun for you. I mean, I cannot promise that jokes will be great, but what I can promise you is cringe-worthy attempts at humor. So there's that. And finally, we'll have the 5th video of the week, which is going to be dedicated to general topics. These topics that I'm talking about are dedicated to your soft skills, to your organizational skills, and personal stories that will allow you to be better at making your personal brand, personal projects, building stuff, how the process looks like, so that you will have a better idea what awaits on the other side of the road. So the goal of these types of videos is not going to be to make you a better coder, it's going to be dedicated to making you a better professional. And that's not all. I've built an entire application dedicated just to starting this YouTube channel. I'm talking about Penny Planner. It's an application dedicated to home budgeting or business budgeting, and I've built it so we would be able to go through the entire process of building a successful project from the ground all the way to production, marketing, business strategies, and things of those sorts. So I've prepared this project and it's already online. You can find the link in the description of this video, but the video series will not start yet. I want to ensure that the quality of videos dedicated to that project is going to be flawless. That way, you guys will be able to get a feel how building a personal project and a personal brand looks like, from the ground all the way to production. So if that sounds interesting, I kindly invite you to subscribe to the channel, and that way you will not waste the opportunity to learn something different and become a great developer. That I can guarantee. So there is not much else to say. Let's code, let's grow, and let's learn together and make something great. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day. Happy coding!